Jai Gurudev, Professor VKJ with you. Ardha Padmasana, the best option to activate your Mooladhara Chakra. Padmasana, we all know how to do it. But at this posture, the Mooladhara Chakra is not having any impression. So if you want to activate or sustain the Mooladhara Chakra by giving a sort of an attendance, saying, "Hi, I am there." First of all, where is the Mooladhara Chakra? Mooladhara Chakra has two schools of thought, one universal and one is localized. So the localized school of thought, Mooladhara Chakra is that region between the anus, or where the anus ends, that point below the spine, where the spine ends. From the anus to the reproductive organ, there is a space. So 1 inch above that region is the Mooladhara Chakra. This is the localized or the local school of thought. For the universal school of thought, Mooladhara Chakra, although it is at that point, it is actually spread all over your body. Moola means center, Dhara refers to earth. Your entire body becomes the Mooladhara, which means in yoga, when you look at it universally, it becomes a field of all possibilities. Okay, this is what Maharishi used to say also. Now, in Ardha Padmasana, how to activate the Mooladhara Chakra? Padmasana, Ardha means half a Padmasana. Doesn't mean it is half, but this is how you activate. One, you take, if it is daytime, take the right heel, which belongs to the solar side of the tradition, okay, which is otherwise called as the Pingala. So take this heel and place it at the Mooladhara Chakra. So you can feel a slight pressure, and bring the other foot directly in alignment. It need not come on top. So you bring it directly in alignment so that the heel and the ankle, the groin and this Manipura are in one straight line. So this is Ardha Padmasana, where your Mooladhara Chakra is activated by the Pingala. That means your right side of the heel we place. This style is called as Ardha Padmasana, the Pingala style or the solar style. In Tamil Nadu, we call it as the Suryakalai. Same way, there's a Chandrakalai or the Idakalai, the Ida side, the moon, the lunar side. For that, very simple, bring the left heel to the same point which I had mentioned. Okay, place the left heel over there. Not too much of pressure. If you're not able to catch the point, you can slightly lift your torso and position over there. Some are not able to fold the leg. Also, it is okay. It is not that some may be able to get everything in a perfect alignment. It is okay if you're able to come to this point also. Okay, but as you practice, it becomes perfect. Do not compare yourself with others. Others are able to get it perfectly over here. I am not able to bend it. All those things, leave it. Yerumbura kallum theyum. That means the rock also, in a different way, not the ants, but the rock also will give way for the grass to grow. So practice, consistency, persistence, that is, dharana is very important in Ashtanga Yoga. So this style, when the left heel is here, it is Ardha Padmasana, the lunar style, that is Idagala. Adavadu, you call it as Chandrakalai. Now, very simple, I'll tell you. Forget about this Idagala, Pingala, the solar, all those things, leave it. Okay, very simple. Okay, go for Ardha Padmasana. Have it for about 20 to 30 seconds with your right heel at the Mooladhara Chakra, and another 20 to 30 seconds with your left heel. Now this will balance both the plexus. And mudra, any mudra you can use. Sit in this position. Even in Ardha Padmasana, you can do your meditation also. Immense benefits are there. The benefits can go as much as, balancing your both the streams, like you say, the parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system, that gets balanced. Okay, benefits are immense. Let us not look at the benefits. Let us just do yoga for the love of doing yoga. Let us play it as a sport. So in sport, we immediately don't start counting the runs. You start to enjoy the game. So breathe well, sit well, relaxed, take any comfortable atmosphere, and then enjoy the process. Okay, friends, that was Ardha Padmasana, both the styles. Good luck.